Honestly, it was such an unexpected video to film because it just happened so randomly, but I decided to make a huge long painting on one of my walls because it looked empty and sad and depressing and I didn't like it. And I am so happy with how it turned out. The weird thing is, if I had to do this in school, I would take my time and it would take me like 3 weeks to do it. But because I'm doing it home and because like I was just so excited to do it, it took me a day and a half to finish this. I'm honestly impressed with myself. So here's the footage of me doing this painting on my wall. Here we have like my little art station, and I have this blank wall that's just asking me to paint it. Just look at it. I'm gonna paint something on it. It used to have like 2 random posters on it, but I have made it my mission to paint it. And currently, what I really want to paint on it, hold on. I found this image on Pinterest and it's basically a scene drawn from Spirited Away, and I love this movie so much. So I'm gonna try and paint it over here. I will make sure to update you. We'll see how it goes. I'm just chilling and I'm listening to some music. We have my speaker here. I have a little blanket so I'm cozy. And yep. Hello, this is the next morning and I am in pajamas. It is a little bit dark in my room because it's gloomy outside, so I had to turn this light on. And there's my dog running away from me once again. Let me show you how's it going. I've done this much and I have a little sketch of the tail down there. And these legs, I don't know why, but these legs took me fucking ages. I am kind of done with her. Still have a few things I have to fix, and I've been doing this for a while actually, and so I'm gonna make a start on the dragon. This is an update and this is how far we've came with the wall. This area over there I got a bit messy, and the top I definitely messed it up at the start. It is getting a little better. When I started painting the bottom half, that was 1,000 times easier than this part, and so far it is looking pretty good. I'm so excited to see how it looks in the end. I feel like it looks so freaking cute. We've got this mess happening over here. This mess, this mess, this mess, and me is the biggest mess in the room. Another update, it is 8 o'clock pretty much, and this is how far we've done. Because I ran out of white paint and I need a lot of white paint to finish this because all my colors are quite strong and I need to make them nice and pastel kind of. So the body, I'm running out of paint to do it with, so I'm mainly using water and really small bit of blue. Looking really cute. Wait, let me walk back so I can see the full thing. It's looking really cute, a lot more colorful than I intended it to be actually. But once I started doing it, I just went kind of like ham on it, and yeah, I'm loving it. It looks good. everything that I wanted it to be, and the colors, especially like those like feathery things that I've done, are brighter than I thought it would be. Not brighter, but like stronger. Like I wanted it to be more pastel than this, but I'm happy with the way it turned out. Because I ran out of white paint, I had to improvise a little bit, and that's why it's not as pastel as I wanted it to be. But honestly, I love it so much. It looks so freaking cool, and every day when I wake up I'm gonna look at this and I'm gonna be so happy when I see this. Also, let me know if you would like to see a video where I show a bunch of my art stuff that I've done. I was thinking about doing that, but maybe I'm gonna do a little more and then make that video, you know? It is so good. This is my pretty wall now. I'm scared I'm gonna do something to it. Let's not make it dirty. This is so freaking cool. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the painting that I did. I am very, very, very happy with it, as you can see. Also, I have a little hat on my makeup remover. I don't know why I wanted to show this. Anyway, I am so happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. I'm probably gonna film another one today, so don't be weirded out if I look the exact same in the next one, but we'll see. Anyway, love you and see you soon. Bye. Mwah.